Ladies and gents, I present to you one of the best top of the line 4Runner headlights. This is Morimoto quality, the same exact factory that Morimoto did theirs. I did this. We're gonna unpack it, install video coming soon. I want to show you the current one I have on my 4Runner, which is available. It's been available for 1 year. This light, the output on it is top of the line. You can't miss it. It's 4 loops, not 3 but 4. Link is gonna be in the description. First 10 are gonna have 10% off. After that it's only 7%. So if you want to purchase now, Black Friday, 10% off. Guys, I'll show you quickly. This is a short video. Install coming soon. Here is what it looks like. It's a hell of a quality light. So these are chromish on purpose to shine. Yeah, black would have been nicer, I agree, but to shine. Look at the quality of the LEDs. So we decided to do amber on the side, the effect of the 4Runner. Guys, this quality is out of this world. So amazing. So it has the DRLs, it has the low beams, and it has the high beams. And the beauty of it, 4 loops. This is like sequential, and 4 loops, black inside, shiny. Here's the back of it. So if you see, everything inside so those are the signal lights, and this is what's inside. Quality is great. That's a rubber seal right there. This has a rubber seal. Same thing. So let me just close it back. Now it's locked to the end. There you go, boys. Top of the line, the sexiest on the market. Morimoto did theirs in the same factory. We QC this 10 times more than any other person on the market. 1 year warranty, buy with confidence. Link is gonna be in the description. Install video coming soon. To replace these ones. Let me get my keys. So this is what's gonna be replacing. That's my 4Runner.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Here's the sequential startup for the current one. Which are still beautiful, no complaints. It's gonna be replacing these. I just need to find nice weather to do the install video, and I'll post the install video, guys. So there you go, boys and girls. The sexiest headlight on the market. If you can see the details, I'll show you from the side. Those are like diamond LEDs, kind of. So guys, girls, YouTube, buy with confidence. My promise is a promise. One of the best ever made headlights on the market. This is what you've been waiting for. The first 10, as I said, as I promised, it's gonna be 10% off. Link is gonna be in the description. Contact me on YouTube or my 4Runner group. Link is gonna be in the description to purchase them. And after that, it's 7%. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Happy Black Friday and happy Cyber Monday. I hope this will be the last of the headlights, because I don't want to be changing and doing swaps for the headlight. Now I have those got stuck with. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. Like the video, share, comment. I'll see if I can do a giveaway. I'm gonna ship it. This is hard to ship, but as you see, we just did this before Christmas. So basically, enjoy. Love you all. Take care. Peace out.